Okay, so let's say you are trying to replace the logos of mine with your own, which you should, by all means, please do so. This is exactly how you're going to do it. Very, very simple. So as you can see here, this particular one is added over top of the cells. So it's not located inside a single cell. So what we're going to do is you can click anywhere, come up to Insert, down to Image here, Image Over Cells, not Image in Cell. Then you are going to grab your new image. I am going to just grab an updated one of mine, or just a different mark, I should say, really. And then you're gonna have to resize it. It's going to upload at whatever size you have. So you click on it, as you can see, it's highlighted, and then you're going to move it over. I would probably delete this one first. So we have space, click it again, grab the corner to reposition the size. You might have to do it a couple times, not a problem. And then you're just gonna kind of drag it up into space. So that's exactly how you do that. Pretty straightforward. You can go through each of the different sheets. See, that one's a little bit smaller, and then repeat that process for each of them. It's very, very straightforward, and that is exactly how you will change my logos for your own.